simplification problems on exponents. Not only simplification, not only simplify. Let us see some evaluate questions also in this. So I'll explain few problems and you can expect same other sums also same type from this chapter. So mostly we need to know the properties, the laws of exponents to apply these problems. Okay, evaluate. Let me take one question. 4 to the power 3 by 2 into 125 to the power minus 2 by 3. Okay, to solve this, 4 and 125, we can make the bases must be in simplest form. That means 4 I can write 2 square, right? 2 to the power 2. And all to the power 3 by 2 again is multiplied. Next 125. If you don't know, you can do the prime factorization method. 125. 5 table. 525 is again 5 5s, 5 ones. So 125 in prime factorization is 5 to the power 3. Whole to the power minus 2 by 3. Right? Next one, a power m whole power n formula. So a to the power m into n. So 2 into 3 by 2. Powers you can multiply. Again multiplied with 5 to the power is also 3 into minus 2 by 3. Then we can cancel this 2 to 3 3. Okay, numerator and denominator. Next 2 to the power 3 is multiplied 5 to the power minus 2 here. Make the power should be positive. 2 to the power 3 into 5 power minus 2 is 1 by 5 square. Okay, 2 power 3 is 8 into 1 by 5 square is 25. Is finally 8 by 25 is the solution of this. Just remember, whatever the base is there, you can reduce into simplest form by using prime factorization method also you can apply. Right? Let us see one more. For example, one more take question like this. 8 by 27 whole to the power 2 by 3 divided by 32 to the power minus 2 by 5. Okay, so here is 8 by 27. 8 is a 2 cube and 27 is 3 cube. Okay, 2 into 2 into 2 is 8. So 27 is 3 cube. Now I can write 8 by 27, 2 by 3 whole power 3 up to here. Again into power 2 by 3 is there, right? And divided by 32 is 2 to the power 5. Whole to the power again minus 2 by 5. Okay, directly I did. Cancel this 3 3 and 5 5. So here is 2 by 3 whole to the power 2 is divided by 2 to the power minus 2. Okay, from this 2 divided by 3 whole to this whole square. So 2 square divided by 3 square again divided by 3 power minus 2 is 1 by 3 power 2 power minus 2 is 1 by 2 power plus 2 formula. 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9. When you keep in division symbol, if you keep into 1 by 2 square is 2 square by 1, that is 4 by 1. 4 4 is 16 by 9. We write in mixed fraction 1 7 by 9. Okay, we can do evaluating questions like this. Few more. One more sum. Minus 2 to the power 4 minus square root of 3 to the power 0 is multiplied with minus 2 to the power 6 divided by 4. Yes, so when you are solving this, first minus 2 power 4. There is no bracket for this, just only minus 2 power 4 as it is. Let it be minus root 3, square root of 3 power 0 is 1, right? And into minus 2 whole power 6, because minus 2 is the base is negative but power is the positive. Power is the even number. Power is even number, so we'll get again positive only. 2 to power 6 will get. Divide by 4, we can write 2 square next up. Okay, here is a minus 2 to the power 4. again minus 1. Minus 1 into 2 power 6 is same, 2 to the power 6. Okay, first you can do the divisions. Okay, instead of, we can apply the BODMAS rule here. That means first we need to do the division. This minus 1 as it is into up to this value, 2 to the power 6 in 2 power 6 divided by 2 power 2. 2 to the power 6 minus 2. Okay, a power m by a power n. A power m minus n. So 2 to the power 6 minus 2 is 4. Right? Next multiplication. Minus 2 to the power 4 minus 1 into 2 power 4 is 2 to the power 4. Now minus 2 power 4 is 16 minus same 2 power 4 is 16. So minus 32 it is. Okay, individually you can solve one by one. Let us see some questions on evaluating. Evaluating is over. Now let us see one or two questions on simplify. Simplify. Okay, let me take the question. X to the power m plus n into x to the power n plus l into again x to the power l plus m. You can notice such type of questions. X to the power m into x to the power n again into x to the power l whole square. Yes. So we need to simplify this. Just only laws of exponents, the product law, quotient law or power law only we need to apply in this. X to the bases are same, right? X3 bases are same. We can add the powers for the numerator part. M plus n plus n plus l plus l plus m. The bases are same, just you can add the powers. Okay, a power m into a power n, a power m plus n formula. A power m into a power n, that is a power m plus n, right? So this only apply. Now denominator also x to the power same m plus n plus l for this whole square. Now up to numerator you can calculate x to the power m 2 times n 2 times l 2 times. So we can write that is 2m plus 2n plus 2l divided by same here x to the power m plus n plus l whole square. So for power 2 for everything. So m plus n plus l into 2 because a power m whole power n, a power m into n. Now x to the power 2m plus 2n plus 2l is on numerator. Same x to the power m into 2, 2m plus 2n plus 2l. If you notice both are same, cancel, that is equals to 1 by 1 is equals to 1. Okay, just cancel this. Same like a by a is equals to 1 or x by x is equals to 1, right? Numerator and denominators are same, that is equals to 1. Right, and let us see one more. Simplify. Okay, question is x power a by x to the power b whole to the power a plus b into x to the power b by x to the power c whole to the power b plus c into same x to the power c by x to the power a whole to the power c plus a. Yes. Now to simplify, first within the bracket you simplify every time. So x to the power x power a by x power b is x power a minus b. We know that. Again whole to the power a plus b again. Formula it is. Multiplied x power b by x to the power c. X to the power b minus c. Right? Power b plus c. Again x to the power c minus a to the power c plus a. First apply quotient law. A power m by a power n is equal to a power m minus n. Now power rule we can apply. So x to the power a minus b into a plus b it is. Into again x to the power b minus c into b plus c. Same x to the power c minus a into c plus a. Right? Now x to the power, you simplify. A minus b into a plus b is a square minus b square. Okay, formula it is. X to the power same, b square minus c square into x to the power c minus a into c plus a is c square minus a square, right? Now that finally, when all the bases are same, we can add the powers. Powers are what? A square minus b square plus b square minus c square plus c square minus a square. One thing you can notice here, plus a square minus a square get cancelled, minus b square plus b square minus c square plus c square get cancelled. If everything is cancelled, x to the power 0. X power 0 is 1 because x is non-zero. So this value is equals to 1. Okay, previous value also we have got 1 only. Even if you can take this to the numerator also, same, x power 0 will come. However, it can possible, we can cancel. Mostly you can find out the simplification questions in this way. So whenever you can see, just only apply the loss of exponents, that is the product rule, quotient rule and power rule. If you apply, these problems are very easy.